To a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix Hamster Kombat request error problem. So let's start. I will give you some tips that you can do it for fixing. So the first tip is go to settings and then let's check our Wi-Fi connection. So we have to check if our Wi-Fi is working correctly on our device. If it is not working correctly, so the connection is bad, probably you will have problems with this, so you have to check this. And in case that your Wi-Fi is wrong, you can restart the Wi-Fi over mobile networks, so you can go to connection and sharing and then to reset the Wi-Fi. Okay, reset settings, and if you're sure about it, just press OK. Just again write your Wi-Fi password and connect. Try to do it and probably your problem will be fixed. The other tip is going to Google Play Store and then here on Google Play Store looking for the app Hamster Kombat. Okay, and then just looking for an update. If there is an update, just try to install again, and probably with that the app will be refreshed and the problem will be fixed. So I hope one of those tips works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.